Hello student, this is Vikas Pandya again and welcome to my YouTube channel on Composite Science. And today I am going to deliver lecture about metal and non-metal. That is the third chapter of chemistry for class 10th. That is chapter number 3, metal and non-metal. So today we will talk about chapter number 3, metals and non-metals. Metals and non-metal. This is your third chapter of chemistry, that is metals and non-metals. Students, आज हम बात करेंगे metal and non-metal. Students, you know about the metals and non-metals because you have studied about the metals and non-metals in previous classes like 9th class, because आप लोग इसके बारे में पढ़ चुके हैं metals and non-metals के बारे में and their properties also. Here let us start the chapter number 3, metals and non-metals. So students, on the basis of their properties all the elements can be divided into main groups, metal and non-metal. So first of all we will see what are metals. First of all we will see what are metals. So metals are the elements that conduct heat and electricity and malleable and are ductile also. They are called metals. Metals are also lustrous and hard, strong, heavy, sonorous. These all the properties of the metals. And some of the examples of the metals here, like iron that is represented by Fe, aluminum, air, then copper, Cu, and gold, platinum, zinc, tin, lead, mercury, sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium are also another examples of metals. Now we will see about the non-metals. That non-metals क्या होते हैं, क्या इसके examples होते हैं. See, non-metals. So what are non-metals? So non-metals are those substances, are those elements that do not conduct heat, and electricity and are neither malleable nor ductile. They are called non-metal and they are also brittle. Now we will see some examples of the non-metals. For example, carbon, sulfur and iodine and argon, neon, bromine are also another examples of non-metals. Now we will see the physical properties of the metals. What are the physical properties of the metals? We'll see. with a hammer. So the first physical properties of the metals, that is metals are malleable. Metals क्या होते हैं? Malleables होते हैं, which means that is the metal cannot be beaten into thin sheets. ये एक ऐसी properties हैं जिसमें metals can be, sorry, cannot be beaten नहीं होगा, can be. That is metal can be beaten into thin sheets with a hammer. जैसे हम metals को hammer की help से पीटने पर या उसे hammered करने पर उन्हें thin sheets में convert किया जा सकता है. That can be converted into thin sheets called malleability properties. So metal are malleable. This is the first properties of the this is the first physical properties of the metal. Now gold and silver metal. Gold and silver metal are the some of the best examples of malleable metal. Aluminium foils are used for the packing food items like biscuit, chocolates, medicine, cigarettes, or also. And now we will see the second properties of the metals, that is metals are ductile. Metals are ductile. Metals are ductile, which means metal can be drawn. Which means metal can be drawn into thin wires. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि metals को हम एक ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं एक पतले वायर के रूप में, तार के रूप में. तो उसको क्या कहेंगे? मेटल्स आर डक्टाइल्स. सो गोल्ड इज द मोस्ट डक्टाइल मेटल. एंड नाउ वी विल सी द थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी, अनदर प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द मेटल्स, दैट इज मेटल आर गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट. मेटल्स आर गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट. Metals are good conductors of heat. So which means by saying that conductors are the good metals of heat, are good conductors of the heat, इसका मतलब ये हुआ metal allow heat to pass through them easily. So silver metal is the best example of conductor of heat. Now the fourth one, that is the metals are good conductors of electricity. Metals are good conductor of electricity. ये इंडक्टर जो कंडक्टर होते हैं good conductor होते हैं of the electricity. Now so silver is a metal is also the best conductor of electricity. Now the fifth property, that is metal are lustrous and can be polished. जो metals होते हैं वो कैसे होते हैं? lustrous होते हैं. उनकी जो surface होती है वो lustrous होती हैं, चमकीली होती हैं. So and that can be polished, और उन्हें पॉलिश भी किया जा सकता है. It means metals are lustrous, that means they have a shining surface. Now the sixth property, metals are generally hard. Metals are generally hard, like so most of the metals are hard, but all the metals are not equally hard. The hardness varies from metal to metal. Most of the metal like iron, जैसे iron, copper, aluminium, etc. are very hard. ये कैसे होते हैं? Are very very hard and they cannot be cut with a knife. और इन्हें चाकू की हेल्प से काटा नहीं जा सकता. They cannot be cut with a knife and there are the some exception. For example, sodium and potassium are the soft metal. ये exception है बेटा in metals, that sodium and potassium are the soft metal which can be easily cut with a knife. Now we will see the 7 properties of the metal. That metal are strong. Metals कैसे होते हैं? Strong होते हैं. For example आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि जो बेटा ये पुल वगैरह बनाए जाते हैं, ओवरब्रिज बनाए जाते हैं, तो इसमें Fe आयरन का यूज किया जाता है. तो कितने स्ट्रांग होते हैं? So metals are the strong. By saying that metals are strong, we mean that they can hold large weight without snapping, without breaking. Without breaking ये जो है large जो है होल्ड कर सकते हैं वेट, लार्ज वेट को होल्ड कर सकते हैं. So this is the seventh property, that metals are strong. Now the eighth property, metals are solid at room temperature. So most of the metals like iron, copper, aluminium, silver, gold, etc. are solid at the room temperature. Only one metal, mercury, is a liquid state at the room temperature, because this is the exception of the metals, that metals are solid at room temperature. Now the ninth property, metal have high melting point and boiling point. That means, for example, iron metal has a high melting point of 1535 degrees Celsius. This means that solid iron melts and turn into liquid iron on heating to a high temperature of 1535 degrees Celsius. Copper metal has also a high melting point of 1083 degrees Celsius. There are, however, some exceptions. For example, sodium and potassium metal. Sodium and potassium metal have low melting point, and gallium and cesium metal also have low melting point. Now, the 10th property, that is metal have high densities. क्या होता है कि metal के पास high densities होती है. By saying that metals have high densities, we mean that metals are heavy substances. metal कैसे होते हैं? heavy substances होते हैं. 11th property, metal are sonorous. It means they have ringing sound when we strike them. जब उन्हें हम पीटते हैं या बजाते हैं तो वो ringing sound को produce करते हैं. Which means metals are sonorous. Now the 12th property, that is metal usually have a silver or grey color. उनके पास silver और grey color होता है. Because copper has a reddish brown color, whereas gold has a yellow color. Now the physical properties of the non-metals. Now we will see the physical properties of the non-metals. Physical properties of the non-metal. So non-metal are neither malleable nor ductile. Non-metal are brittle or break easily. So this is the properties of the non-metal. That is the first property of non-metal, that metal neither malleable nor ductile. Now second number, non-metal do not conduct heat and electricity also. And next one, non-metal are not lustrous. They have not shining surfaces. Fourth number, non-metal are generally soft. Non-metals are generally soft. Fifth number, non-metals are not strong. Non-metals कहते हैं वो strong नहीं होते हैं. Non-metal may be solid, liquid, gas at the room temperature. Non-metal have comparatively low melting points and boiling point also. And non-metals have low densities. Non-metals के पास कैसी होती हैं? वो low densities होती हैं. That is non-metal are light substances. 9 number, non-metal are sonorous. Non-metals are non-sonorous. वो कैसे होते हैं? Non-sonorous होते हैं. उनमें बजाने पर वो ringing sound को produce नहीं करते हैं. They do not produce sound when hit with an object. जब उन्हें हम किसी object के through hit करते हैं या strike करते हैं तो वो ringing sound को produce नहीं कर सकते हैं. That's why they are called non-metals. Non-metals are non-sonorous. Now the next property, that is non-metal have many different colors. Non-metals के पास वो different type के colors होते हैं. Now the chemical properties of the metal. Now we will see the chemical properties of the metals. That what types of chemical properties have the metals. Because these are some physical properties of metals and non-metals. Now we will see the chemical properties of the metals. Chemical properties of metal. chemical properties of the metals. Now, so metals and non-metals show different chemical properties. So first properties of the metal with oxygen, that reaction of metals with oxygen. With oxygen. So metal react with the oxygen, O2, it form metal oxide. This is the first properties of the metals, that reaction of metal with oxygen. When metal react with oxygen, it will form metal oxide. जब कभी भी बेटा metal oxygen के साथ reaction करता है तो metal oxide का formation होता है. So now let us take up an example to understand these things more clearly. That sodium metal react with the oxygen of air at the room temperature to form a basic oxide called sodium oxide. For example, if sodium react with the oxygen, then it form 2Na2O, 2Na2O. That is solid in form. Sodium oxide. Sodium oxide, and this is metal, and O2, oxygen. So metal react with the sodium, react with the oxygen, it form 2Na2O. But here sodium has 4 atoms. That's why we add 4Na plus O2, that 2Na2O and O. That means sodium oxide will form. Now the potassium metal also react with the oxygen of air and at room temperature to form a basic oxide. और क्या form करता है? Basic oxide called potassium oxide. उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Potassium oxide कहते हैं. Now the next, most of the metal oxide are insoluble in water, but some of the metal oxide dissolve in water to form alkalis बनाने के कारण. So sodium oxide and potassium oxide are the two metal oxide which are soluble in a water. They dissolve in water to form alkalis. Sodium oxide and potassium oxide dissolve in a water to form alkalis. So here sodium oxide react with sodium oxide react with the H2O, then it will form 2NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide and alkalis. So sodium oxide react with the H2O water, it will form 2NaOH, that is an alkali. Now similarly, potassium oxide react with the H2O and it will form potassium hydroxide, 2KOH. It is also an alkali. Now reaction with the magnesium metal, because this is the also types of the metals, and magnesium react with the oxygen of the air at the room temperature. What will be happen? See, when magnesium react with the 2Mg react with the oxygen, it will form 2MgO. It means magnesium oxide. It is magnesium oxide, because this is the also metal, and metal react with the oxygen of the air at the room temperature, it will form 2MgO. Now same process repeat again, that when magnesium oxide react with the water, react with the H2O, it will form a base, that is called MgOH का whole twice, a base. Now, aluminum metal react with the oxygen. Now, aluminum metal react with the oxygen. 4Al plus 3O2 react with the 2Al 2O3 gas. So, this is also examples of chemical properties of metal, that metals react with the oxygen. Now, aluminum oxide react with the hydrochloric acid to form aluminum chloride and water. For example, Al2O3. Al2O3 react with the 6HCl. It will form 2AlCl3 plus 3H2O. Because it is salt and it is water. Now, the next chemical properties of the metal, that is reaction of metal with the water. 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 Now the metal react with the water. It form metal oxide, metal hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. So now here reaction of metal. Let us take one metal 2K, that is potassium. React with the 2H2O, water, cold water. It will form 2KOH, potassium hydroxide plus hydrogen and plus K. Now, the sodium, similarly, sodium metal react with the also 2H2O. It will form 2NaOH. 2NaOH, sodium hydroxide, and form H2 hydrogen gas plus H. Now we will see the reaction of metal with the dilute acids. Now we will see the reaction of metal with the dilute acids. Reaction of metal with dilute acids. Dilute acid. So metal react with the dilute acid, form metal salt plus hydrogen. So here sodium react with the HCl, 2HCl, and will form sodium chloride 2NaCl plus hydrogen H2. So this is the examples of metal react with the dilute acids. मेटल क्या करते हैं, डाइल्यूट एसिड के साथ रिएक्शन करते हैं, वो क्या फॉर्म कर रहे हैं, सोडियम क्लोराइड एंड हाइड्रोजन. Now we will see the aquaresia. Now we will see about the aquaresia. That what is the meaning of aquaresia.